guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get Incredibox auto working. So you go to Incredibox, Archive, Project. You go to Incredibox Archive, Project. So you see axeboat. If it just takes you to this blue screen, press the lock button. Flash allow X. Then you just reload the page. And boom. You can use the translator if you want to. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
X for this.
Wait, this is French? Okay, so now you can play axeboat. So, O-E-E-O. O-E-E-O. Sorry if it's too glitchy. Never back, come on, yeah. Guys, what happened? What happened? Reload the page. So, guys, I don't know what happened. It is just, I don't know what was happening. E-E-E-O. E-E-E-O. Sorry if it's glitching. I'm just recording, that's why. Guys, try not to record and... No, I'm saying you can record, but try not to record at the wrong time because it might get glitchy. So guys, that's the end of this video. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. And this is me. This is me ending the video.